Alright everybody, we're looking at tanker 910 here. This is up at the Wildfire in Washington. The whole town's been evacuated. Wildfire. Here's an article I found sent to me. Lind, L-I-N-D. The whole town, 10 homes gone, the entire town has been evacuated. Okay, back to the radar. This is that fire right here. I'm going to zoom in. Tanker 910 just got here. Tanker 543 is just arriving. And this is a DH-8D, which is a de Havilland, Canada dash. And they came out of Coeur d'Alene. Now I'm going to go back to this other one. They're just arriving. We're going to zoom in a little bit. There's Air Command 90, AC 90 again. Hang on a sec. And then we got tanker 910 just got here out of Moses Lake, Washington. It's a DC 1030. I'm pretty sure this is the lead plane out of Boise. Looks like he's playing lead plane. Got some other here. I'm going to check on them. Delta. This is Air Tractor 802A. Water. This guy had, here, I'll give you a look. Air Tractor. Single seat air tanker water refill. Okay, back to the action. So he's probably filling off of Lake Williams. I would have a pretty good filling. We got this one here. Single seat. Another one. Single engine air tanker back. Alright, I'm going to bring it up a little bit. We got no photo available for FB 207. Says he's coming out of Coeur d'Alene. Anybody's there, get a picture, put it up on Jet Photos. You'll get credit. Now right here, see this right here? There's that first 802A, which is FB 202 on its call sign, refilling down the lake. Here's tanker 910. This is tanker 910. This is a Mitsubishi Delta. Oh, it's Delta Airlines. AC 90. I'm pretty sure what's happening here is these guys are now coming in to do a refill on the lake. Here's 206, that's 207. And yep, I'm gonna zoom in. You glitched this other one over here. He's still here. But they disappear as they come down the lake. They get out of the radar reading them. That's what's going on right there. He ain't back on the lake. He's going to pop up. Alright, see, here's these two guys. See here, he just popped up way over here. He went down the lake. They disappeared for a minute during why he's scooping. And then he's off and going to hit the fire again. Here's FB 206 down the lake. 207 down the lake. Here's that Delta. Okay, this guy's circling. I don't know why it says Delta. I've never seen this one. A Mitsubishi CRJ 200LR. Okay, they have this guy showing in the area, but he just... Okay, well, back to what we're doing. I'm going to zoom out. Zoom out. Okay. Tanker 910's made his pass. Here it looks like Delta. We're going to see where he's going. It has no information for that. Here's AC-90. Here's F6. N. United States Department of the Interior. This is a B-200 Super King. I'm pretty sure this is part of the Overwatch. This is Air Command. This is the guy leading them in that I'm watching right now. I believe that tanker's out of here. I thought we had another one right here. Oh, tanker 543. He already came in, did his stuff, got let in without maybe one circle, and out, went east of him, banked back around, and he's heading out of here. Tanker 910, it looks like he's possibly doing the same thing. Let's see where they're coming from. Moses Lake, it says. Right over here, Moses Lake tanker base. Or Moses Lake. That's where they're at. It's got to have a tanker base if the tankers are flying out of there. That's why I said tanker base. I do not know the name of it. I'm pretty sure it's Moses Lake. We have a okay, I'm going to zoom back in. Yeah, so tanker 543 and 910. All right, so there those two are. I'm just like actually looking at what's going around, but this is a pretty good. This fire is moving. Here we go. Bell 212, private owner. It says they did something here. That must be one of those other fires. I'll get to that article so you can have a look. Sorry about that. Oh, here we go. It's the Sikorsky UH-60A Black Hawk painted orange. Northwest Helicopters. Is this one right here? See this? Zoom in a little bit. That's a UH-60 Black Hawk. In the picture of it, it's orange. Give you a look. UH-60 Black Hawk, Northwest Helicopters. My little system messed up on me. There we go. Alright, and here's that Bell 212, but there's a picture. It's painted white and red. N214KA, that's its registration. So back out. Oh, now see that? See how? Look at this. Here's another one. Sikorsky UH-60A, private owner. No picture of this. So that's like this chopper looks like he's refilling. Maybe, possibly, I'm not sure. But we got 3 choppers here. Okay, this is how this happens. You just gotta watch. You can pop off one, pop on another. These guys, I'm gonna watch the aerial show for a minute because FB 202, the yellow one, scooper plane. FB 206, 207, All right. Guys, you can see this. You go to flight radar24.com. This is going on south of Spokane on the map, and you zoom in where you see a bunch of planes at. And of course, FB202, he ain't where they saying. He dropped off a radar refill, and then he'll pop back up. See, there he popped back up, and it put him on his track. It looks like, to me, all the tracks are down through this here. That's the dump track. And they're circling here to hit the lake. CFB-27, I'm not sure what he's doing, but he's been making rounds. Oh, it could be command and control. Let's look at his altitude. 2,500 feet. AC 90 is at 5,050. There's an Overwatch. And 618 is currently at 3,090. So I'm not sure what FB-27 actually is. There's something doing there with the fire. Got a choppers coming up in. We'll watch 207 for a sec. Oh, 207 it says just appeared.